everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to crochet this beautiful and elegant motif. We are moving into the spring, so let's make something light. And you know, guys, I love something elegant, even though people think crochet cannot be elegant. That's not true. So you can either use it this way or you can use it this way. Obviously, you can add it to blankets or garments, or even make a scarf and add this at the ends to make it more elegant. I mean, the possibilities are endless. And these would be the connection points, the corners. If you want to make another square, you would connect it here, 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 and these two. Play with it, see how it goes. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. Keep in mind when you are using this motif, if you want to avoid right side and wrong side, flip every single round. We will use chains, single crochets and double crochets. Nothing complicated, everything pretty basic. And if you're ready to learn how to crochet this motif, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, grab your yarn, crochet hook. Let's get to work. I will be using the Lion brand Comfy Cotton Blend. Just find it easier on showing all my stitches and motifs, and a 5mm hook. You make a sample with your yarn that requires your size hook, or particular yarn with particular hook size. We will start with a slip knot. And we'll chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a circle. Like so. Round number 1, chain 1, and we'll put 16 single crochets into the circle. You can also work in the tail. So 1, 2, 3, 15, and 16. And there's what we have. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. And round now 1 is complete. Round number 2, we will chain 3, counts as a double crochet, plus chain 3. So total of 6. Skip 1, double crochet into the next. Chain 3, skip 1, double crochet into the next. And we're gonna go like that all the way around. Chain 3, skip 1, double crochet into the next. So we have total of 8 double crochets. To finish the round, chain 3, slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning. There's round number 2. Round number 3, let's slip stitch into the chain 3 space to the left. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Add 4 more double crochets into this chain 3 space. We will have a total of 5 double crochets in the first chain 3 space. Like so. Chain 1. We'll put 5 double crochets into the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1. And this is how you will repeat all the way around. Chain 1, 5 double crochets into the next chain 3 space, chain 1 into the next, so on all the way around. After finishing the last 5 double crochets into the last section, we'll chain 1 and slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning. Round 3 is complete. Now chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Next, chain 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and single crochet into the next chain 1 space. And this is how we will be alternating. Chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, single crochet into the next, chain 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, single crochet into the next. Finish off 7, 11, 7, 11. To finish off this round, after you've chained the 11, single crochet into the last chain 1 space. And here we can see the square forming. We got 4 chain 11s and 4 chain 7. Round number 5, we will have to slip stitch our way to the top. So we will have to put 1, 2, 3, 4 slip stitch in each chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are at the top of the chain 7. Here, chain 3 counts as a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the same space, or into the same stitch. Here we'll have double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1. We're going to be working now into the chain 11 space. We'll put 9 double crochets in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Move them a little bit to the right. Chain 3. We'll add 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now once you are done with them, kind of spread them so they are occupying all 11 chains. And our repeat starts into the chain 7 space. After you've done with the 9 double crochets, chain 1, find the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. In it, put double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And the reason we are putting these into the actual chain, it's so if you work around it, this will move. You don't want any movement, so you're going to put it into the chain, or you can put it around. It's up to you. Chain 1, and now we will be repeating everything. I'm not gonna annoy you. Chain 1, 9 double crochets, chain 3, 9 double crochets, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into the 4th chain, all the way around. Once you've completed the last 9 double crochets, chain 1 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the beginning to finish around number 5. Now let's straighten this and see what we got. And this is what I have: 4 petals and 4 these V-stitches. And let's move on to the last round, round number 6. Slip stitch into the chain 2 space to the left and chain 1, single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move on to the chain 3 space. We'll put double crochet, chain 3, double crochet into the same space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, double crochet into the same space, chain 3, double crochet into the same space. This is what we have. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's move into the chain 1 space, put a single crochet, chain 5, single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into this space. And now the repeat starts. Chain 5, into this corner we'll put double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 5, double crochet, chain 3, and double crochet. And this is our second corner. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 5, single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 5, single crochet into the chain 1 space. Complete the row around. Chain 5, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 5, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 5, and so on. The last chain 5 of, so we did the last corner, chain 5, single crochet into the chain 1 space, and chain 5, slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round, chain 1, and pull a long tail. This is what we have. Let me go steam it and see the finished product. And this is the motif in all its beauty and glory. I don't have the time to wait for it to block it properly, the purposes of this video. I just want to make it faster, but even a light steam gave it a much elegant, a beautiful look. If you have the time to block it, go ahead and do it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. I will see you in my next video. You take care.